Okay, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, I have a recreation of a breakfast casserole the TheWolfePit did. Link to the original video in the description below, and it's basically a breakfast casserole. And what you've seen before was me frying up about 6 ounces of bacon that I chopped up into roughly about 3/4 inch pieces, and now I'm cooking up a tube of breakfast sausage, kind of like what he did in his video. So we're gonna give this a chance to brown up. All right, so it's 1 pound of breakfast sausage that you basically I like to just keep clumped together and then move it around, and as it cooks, it breaks up. And you won't really need to add any seasoning to this, but when the bacon and the sausage are done, make sure you set them aside. All right, kind of forgot to film it, but obviously take the sausage out and use the same pan to cook the potatoes. I did make a little bit of a fuck up, and I added the potatoes before I added the extra oil. So basically, you just want to keep cooking them. You know, moving them around occasionally, cleaning up all those burnt bits of potatoes. Actually, in the final dish, these kind of little burnt bits of potatoes were actually quite tasty. Season it with salt and pepper and whatever other seasonings you like. This will take the longest time. This will take about 10-15 minutes. Again, if I had to redo this, I probably just would have used frozen hash brown pieces. But yeah, about 10-15 minutes with potato chunks about this size. All right, now that our potatoes have reached a desired level of doneness, about 75% cooked, you know, kind of just soft-ish to the touch, but still got a lot of bite back. Now we're going to add 1 sweet onion that I diced up. And then you want to give this, again, another couple of minutes to cook up. Okie dokie, we've given the onions a couple of minutes. They're starting to turn translucent. Time to add a red bell pepper that I diced up. Unfortunately, this time of year, the peppers were not the biggest in the bunch. So then you just want to keep stirring this every so often. And it's probably got about 2, maybe 3 more minutes on the stove. Again, you don't want to cook these vegetables to fuck, because again, it is going to go into a oven, a 375-degree oven that you should be preheating now. Okie dokie, as you can see, I transferred everything to a 9x13 baking dish that I did actually grease up. Now, in his video, he used a dozen medium eggs, so I used about 6 jumbo eggs, because, again, medium eggs in my area is kind of tough to come by, and, I don't know, I just like more eggs for my dollar. And you just want to swirl this around until you have the other ingredients in the recipe. Okie dokie, now it's time to add back the sausage that we made, and also the bacon that we cooked up. Both have been resting, everything's nice and crispy. And then you just want to stir this around till it's all nice and mixed together. And then you want to add about a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Again, you can really go with whatever cheese you like, but again, I'm trying to recreate something here. And give that a good stir around till everything's all mixed. And we're getting pretty close to putting this motherfucker in the oven. Alright, got everything all mixed, and just before we pop this motherfucker in the oven, add the remaining cheese from the pack, just to give it a little bit of, you know, a little bit more cheesiness. So after about 20-25 minutes in the oven, you have something resembling this. And I will say it is good. It is hearty. It does need hot sauce. But this is my version of the TheWolfePit's breakfast casserole. Done.